You can now park your Porsche in your living room. And that is just the beginning. There is a building in Sunny Isles Beach, Miami, where the car elevator takes you directly from the ground floor to your apartment, not to a parking level. To your living room, you step out of your Porsche, and you are home. This is a functioning residential building. Its residents have been doing exactly this since it opened. Is it the most practical way to park a car? Probably not. Is it the most spectacular? Without question. And it is also a very precise illustration of what is happening across the global luxury market right now. The brands that once asked for your money in exchange for a handbag, a timepiece, or a set of car keys have decided that is no longer enough. They want to sell you your entire life. Your morning coffee on Armani marble. The thread count your guests sleep on. The elevator that brings your car to meet you on the 57th floor. Stay until the end. Because the branded residence market is not just a real estate story. It is one of the most interesting strategic moves happening in luxury right now. And if you understand what is driving it, you will understand where luxury is going next. So how big is this market actually? And how fast is it moving? Worldwide, branded residences rose to 910 in 2025, from just 323 in 2015. That number is expected to reach 1,747 by 2032. More than a doubling in 7 years. From an industry that barely existed in any meaningful form to decades ago. The speed of that growth reflects something genuine, a shift in what the world's wealthiest buyers are looking for when they invest in property. As of 2026, there are over 700 branded residence projects worldwide across more than 100 cities, with approximately 120 new projects announced in the last 12 months alone. The sector has grown 200% since 2015. The leading markets are Dubai with over 60 projects, Miami with over 45, Bangkok with over 30, London with over 20, and Saudi Arabia with over 20. Dubai and Miami are the two cities where this phenomenon is most concentrated and most visible. And for reasons that are not coincidental. Both are highly international cities with significant populations of ultra-high net worth individuals who own property in multiple countries, who travel constantly, and who want the assurance of a consistent, managed, 5-star experience wherever they land. A branded residence delivers exactly that. Now, what does life inside one of these buildings actually look like? The Porsche Design Tower in Sunny Isles Beach houses 132 residential units, all within unit garages for owners to house their vehicles, accessible via the building's signature car elevator. The owner of the penthouse suite paid $32.5 million and can park their Porsche on the 57th floor. The tower also features summer kitchens and fireplaces, alongside all the amenities associated with 5-star living. But the car elevator is the detail that captures what makes this building different from simply buying a very expensive apartment. It is a Porsche experience that extends from the showroom into the home. The design language of the brand, the precision, the refusal to compromise, is present in every decision the building makes. A few hundred meters down the beach, Armani Casa completed its own answer to the same question. The Residences by Armani Casa is a 308-unit luxury tower on Sunny Isles Beach with units ranging between 1,800 and 6,000 square feet, priced from $2.9 million to $17 million. The tower was designed by Pelly Clark Pelly, with interiors overseen by Armani's own design studio across every detail from the amenities to the individual residences. Amenities include a lounge, restaurant, cigar room, fitness center, 2-story spa, pool, and private elevator access for every unit. The project reported a nearly $1 billion sellout. Nearly $1 billion of Armani apartments sold. The fashion house whose aesthetic has defined a particular kind of understated Italian elegance. For 5 decades translated that sensibility into travertine and ocean views, and the market sold out completely. This is the insight at the heart of the branded residence proposition. The buyer is not purchasing square footage. They are purchasing belonging to a world that Armani or Porsche has already defined, and being able to live inside that world rather than simply occasionally accessing it through a product. So where is this going next? And who else is joining? Bentley Automotive has partnered with developer Bentley Properties for a 100-story residence in Dubai. Mercedes-Benz has partnered with Bentley Properties on a luxury residential tower at the Maiden Hotel in Dubai. Among the top fashion brands by number of projects in the pipeline until 2030 are Elie Saab, Giorgio Armani, Fendi, Missoni, and Versace, all of which have inked deals with partners around the world to expand their concept of living as a powerful extension of their brands. Bentley's first branded residence is part of its broader strategy to become an absolute reference in sustainable luxury. By 2030, the company will be selling 100% electric cars. And the residences are part of moving the brand closer to a new kind of audience. People who might not be traditional Bentley owners but who are more progressive and interested in sustainability. That strategic detail is worth pausing on. Bentley is not building residences simply because real estate is profitable. It is building residences because it needs to speak to a buyer who does not yet identify with Bentley. And a building is a more immersive and sustained conversation than any advertisement has ever been. If you live in a Bentley residence for 5 years, with Bentley's design language on every surface and Bentley's service standards in every interaction, you have been introduced to the brand in the deepest possible way. By expanding into real estate, luxury automotive brands become lifestyle brands, providing people with an all-encompassing brand experience. The market for branded luxury residences is predicted to grow 12% each year. The move from product brand to lifestyle brand is the fundamental ambition here. And real estate is the most complete expression of a lifestyle that has ever existed. Your bag is with you for a few hours a day. Your car for perhaps an hour. Your home is where you wake up, where you entertain, where you exist in private. A brand that occupies your home has a relationship with you that no other touchpoint can match. Now for the investment conversation. Because for luxury buyers thinking about returns, the numbers are compelling. Branded residences command a 25 to 40% price premium over comparable non-branded luxury properties. Branded units sell 25% faster than comparable non-branded properties. Historical performance has demonstrated 5 to 12% annual appreciation and 4 to 6% rental yields. The brand association creates global demand and protects against market downturns better than non-branded luxury properties. The premium is real and the logic behind it is straightforward. A branded residence is a property that a buyer anywhere in the world can understand immediately. The name on the building communicates the quality and service standard without requiring any additional explanation. That recognizability has value in a market where ultra-high net worth buyers are often purchasing in cities they do not live in full-time. Developers benefit from increased sales velocity and price premiums. Buyers gain from consistent service, turnkey convenience, and global recognition. And the brands themselves tap into a powerful new channel of loyalty, extending their presence into the most personal space of all, the home. The dynamic works because it is aligned on all sides. The developer sells faster and at a premium. The brand deepens its relationship with its most committed audience while reaching new ones. The buyer gets a property that performs as an investment and lives like a home, holding its value. Because the name attached to it means something consistent and respected around the world. There is also something worth acknowledging about what this trend says about luxury more broadly. The desire for immersive brand experience, for a relationship with a house that goes beyond occasional purchases, has been building for years. Branded residences are the most complete answer luxury has yet produced to that desire. Living a Porsche is a different proposition from owning one every morning. From the moment the elevator brings your car to meet you on the 57th floor. Which, when you think about it, is exactly the kind of thing that a brand like Porsche was always going to find a way to make possible. Drop a like if this world appeals to you. Subscribe for more. And leave a comment. If you could live in any branded residence from any house in the world, which one would you choose?